Okay, so here's a Zulu words for you to learn. So I'm gonna read an English word and then I'm gonna read a singular and a plural of the same word and how you use it in a sentence. I'm not gonna read all of the words, just the basic ones that I feel like you are gonna need. So the first one is welcome. And welcome means ngiyakwemukela. If you're speaking to one person, and ngiyanemukela when you're speaking to two people. So it will be the way you would use it in a sentence. You would say, "Welcome to Network Action Group." If you're speaking to one person, you will say, "Ngiyakwemukela kwa Network Action Group." If there's many, ngiyanemukela kwa Network Action Group. Hello is just a general greeting, and in Zulu it's a sawubona. If it's many people, it's sanibonani. So sawubona Peter, sanibona Peter, no Michael, if it's two people or more. How are you? Unjani Peter, if it's one person. Ninjani, if it's many people. And how you reply to that is, how are you? Then if somebody says hi, then you say hi, and then how are you? You'd be like, I'm fine, thanks, and how are you? In Zulu you'd say ngikhona, ngiyabonga, wena unjani. If it's many people, sikhona, siyaphila, nina ninjani. Okay. Long time no see. Mehlo madala means we haven't seen each other in a long time. If you've been here before, that's what you'd say. Mehlo madala. What's your name? Ngubani gama lakho? Okay. My name is igama lami ngingu Nomusa. When you're introducing yourself. And if you want to ask where are you from, you say uphumaphi, uvelaphi. You can use any one of the two. And then you'd say, in response to where are you from, you'd say, I'm from Europe. Ngiphuma Europe. Ngivela Europe. You can use anyone. Doesn't matter. It means the same thing. Pleased to meet you. Ngiyajabula ukukwazi. So that would be straight after an introduction. You'd say, Ngiyajabula ukukwazi. And when you greet somebody in the morning, or in the afternoon, or during the day, you use one word. Sawubona for one person, sanibonani for many people. So it doesn't matter. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. When you greet, sawubona, 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 sanibonani, sanibonani, sanibonani. Okay. And then if you are wishing somebody a good night, you say lala kahle for one person, lalani kahle for many people. And if you're saying goodbye, you say sala kahle or salani kahle for many people. Or hamba kahle means go well, but you can still say goodbye. Or hambani kahle. Yeah. So if you say sala kahle, you are saying to somebody who's in their own home and you are the one who's leaving. If somebody is leaving your house, you say hamba kahle. Okay. Good luck, ngikufisela iwela, or ngikufisela inhlanhla, or ngikufisela impumelelo. This is Tip Zulu. Okay. Cheers, good health, impilontle, akube kuhle. You wouldn't normally use that on a normal day. Have a nice day. Ube nosuku oluhle, nibe nosuku oluhle. So that's an error there. for a plural. Ube nosuku oluhle for have a nice day, or nibe nosuku oluhle for many people. When you're gonna eat, yeah, have a nice meal. Thokozela ukudla. When people are leaving, have a good journey. Ube nohambo oluhle. When you say yes in Zulu, you say yebo, and when you say no, you say cha. Yes, yebo, no, cha. Maybe, mhlawumbe, maybe I will come back. Mhlawumbe ngizobuya. Okay. I don't know, angazi. Simple, angazi. Somebody asks you something and you're unsure, you say angazi. Do you understand? Uyezwa. Uyezwa. I understand. Ngiyaqonda or ngiyezwa. Okay. I don't understand. Angizwa. Please you speak more slowly. This when you talk to somebody and they're talking a little bit fast. Ngicela ukhulume kancane. But this sentence could also mean please speak softly or not just slowly. Ngicela ukhulume kancane. Please say that again. Ungakwazi ukuthi ukuphinda usho futhi. Please write it down. Ngicela ukubhale. Do you speak English? Ukhuluma isiNgisi na? Do you speak Zulu? Ukhuluma isiZulu na? Yes, a little. Yebo, ingcosana or yebo, kancane. Speak to me in Zulu. Ngicela ukhulume nami ngesiZulu. Ngicela ukhulume nami ngesiZulu. How do you say something in Zulu? Ukusho kanjani, ukuthi ngesiZulu. Okay. When you say sorry, say ngiyaxolisa. Ngiyaxolisa. Excuse me. Uxolo. How much is this? Kubiza malini? Please. Ngicela. Siza. Ake. Thank you. Ngiyabonga. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Siyabonga kakhulu. If it's many people, if it's you and other people who are saying thank you. So if you're saying thank you as one person, you say ngiyabonga kakhulu or ngiyabonga. And then if it's you and many people and you're saying thanks on everybody's behalf, you say siyabonga. Okay? And when you reply to a thank you, say uyamukelwa for one person or niyamukelwa for many people. And if you want to ask where's the bathroom or where's the toilet, likuphi ikamelo lokugezela or likuphi i-toilet. So this is a word that is used in the same sense as from English and Zulu. And when you say this gentleman will pay for everything, umnumzana uzokhokha konke. This lady will pay for everything. Inenekazi lizokhokha konke. Would you like to dance with me? Uthanda ukudansa nami? Do you come here often? Ingabe uza lapha ngokuvamile? I love you. Ngiyakuthanda. And if you want to say get well soon, phila masinya. Leave me alone. Ngiyekele. Help. Usizo. Fire. Umlilo. Stop. Ima. Call the police. Biza amaphoyisa. Christmas greeting. Jabulele ukhisimusi. Ngikufisela ukhisimusi. New Year greeting. Unyaka omuhle. Umuhle nonyaka omusha onempumelelo. Ngikufisela unyaka omusha, unyaka omuhle onempumelelo. It's irrelevant. You're not going to use New Year's and Easter greetings, but birthday greetings. Halala ngosuku lokuzalwa. One language is never enough. When you want to say that in Zulu, ulimi olulodwa alonelanga. And my hovercraft is full of ills. Umkhumbi wami. We're going to stop there for now. Don't forget to subscribe.